Hey everyone, this is Zach from SpeedGate Motorsports, and we are on our way to the Larry Chen Type S Nightlights meet over at Z1 Motorsports. Z1 and Type S reached out directly to our team to represent the Type S booth, so we're really excited to work with them. We've got Girard taking some photos today as well. We want to say a big thank you to our friends over at Z1 and Type S for looking out for us, hooking up the underglow kits for the team, and of course for asking us to be a part of the booth. So we brought the camera along to show you how it goes.
Oh man.
So he purchased a donor car, and in the process was able to prepare his car. So that gave him a concept of an idea of, we can do this, okay? So we started buying more XZ32s, and we have an actual chicken coop in Temple. It's still there. It's an old barn. It's an amazing flashback in time.
Filled with Z32s?
Filled with donor Z32s in various states of disarray.
Okay.
And that's where it started. People started to realize that, oh, I can buy used parts from this guy. More staff came on board, more Z32s came on board. And then a customer came in wanting, I believe it was an alternator, I could be totally wrong, this may be a BS story, but it sounds amazing, right? That he purchased the used alternator and said, hey, could you guys also install it? And that's where it's like, oh, we can do that too. And then that concept. So imagine fast forward years over years of the, oh, we can do that too, and build this place.
Now it's
So in 2004, we actually moved into the old building, and 2 years ago, this expansion actually was fully built, and we moved in just 2 years over this expansion.
So that's a 634 and 568 torque.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.